Brüel Kjær offers a suite of pulse applications for the determination of sound power according to international standards. Often, the first question to be asked is, which standard should one use? A number of parameters may influence the decision, but there are two more important than the rest. Firstly, whether the device under test can be moved into a controlled laboratory environment or whether the measurement should be done in situ. Secondly, what is the type of sound field in the measurement environment? The diagram here shows the decision workflow for selecting the correct sound power standard. The suite of sound power applications consists of three solutions for general sound power determination. These are the 7799 for measurement in essentially free field environments, the 7882 for intensity measurement, and the 7884 for reverberation room measurement. In addition to these, there are dedicated solutions such as the 7883 for earth-moving machinery, the 7885 for measurements according to the Directive 2014 EC, the 7886 for fans, and the 7888 for sound power at high frequencies. These solutions are based on Pulse LabShop, a world-leading real-time analysis platform. Let's take a look at the type 7799 for measurement in essentially free field environments. The hardware setup for 7799 consists of a PC, which runs the Pulse LabShop application and is connected to a LAN/X high front end, a required number of microphones, which are positioned on the measurement surface, and, if required, additional microphones to measure the sound emission at the operator's position. Pulse Solution 7799 contains a range of different templates for sound power determination in free field, such as general sound power determination, sound power with emission SPL, and sound power of household appliances. As soon as the LabShop application template is opened, the connection between LabShop and the front end is established. If the number of microphones in the setup differs from the default number of signals in the template, some additional configuration is required to connect the signals to the corresponding inputs. The setup window is the one location for the input of all the data required to perform the measurement. When a parameter is selected in the grid, a description is displayed in the lower section of the window. If data is missing, or the configuration does not follow the requirements of the standard, warnings are displayed to provide instant feedback. When acoustical calibration is performed before and after a measurement, the solution offers a convenient way to store the calibration adjustments for every microphone input. This can be done by clicking Accept Before or Accept After button after performing the calibration using the LabShop built-in calibration. Once before and after corrections are available, the difference is displayed and an indication is shown if the difference is out of the permissible range. The measurement is completely controlled from the measurement window. The measurement can be started or stopped using the buttons at the top of the window. There are three buttons for starting the reference sound source, the background, and source under test measurement. If required, each of the three measurements can easily be repeated. Let's start a measurement. measurement is completed, the calculation is started by clicking the calculator button at the top of the window. If the calculator produces any warning, these are displayed in the text box below the measurement table. Clicking the reset button will clear all the measurements. When measuring emission sound pressure level, in addition to sound power, additional tabs are shown giving the status of the emission measurement points and parameters for noise impulsivity and discrete tones. The report is generated into an empty Microsoft Excel document, an open Excel document, or a template. The report generation destination can be selected in the settings, which can be accessed by clicking the Settings button. One can select the destination and optionally select additional function groups to be transferred to the report. When the report button is clicked, a report is generated. Results are presented in a hierarchical tree-like structure. The grid of graphs on the right-hand side of the window is used for viewing and analysis of the results. The size of the grid can easily be adjusted to your needs. Any single result or group of results can be dragged and dropped into a graph in a grid, and the data will instantly be displayed. By holding the control button on the keyboard, you can drop several results from different groups into the same graph, which is convenient for data analysis and comparison. This solution supports Pulse Data Manager. The data which is to be saved can be dragged and dropped into the Save window. The metadata fields are filled out automatically. To recall the data, a query can be constructed based on the metadata.